Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it is day 22 of Off the Board with Pineapple Papers, and this is my inspiration for today. Just love it, something different for a Christmas page, and this is the photo I am scrapping of me and Mum, and this was Christmas 2016. I know that because this is Mum's last Christmas. We didn't know it at the time, obviously. Dad was quite ill, and we thought it was going to be his last Christmas, which it was. He passed away then in May, but we weren't aware that it was also going to be Mum's last Christmas, because then she passed away in November the same year. So this is a very special Christmas. We had the whole family there. Had nephews and nieces come up from Sydney for it. We came up from Sydney. My brother came down from, I think it was in Gladstone or Mount Isa or somewhere at the time. And we were all there, and we had a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. So that is what I am scrapping today. The papers I'm using are from Uniquely Creative, and it is from the, oh, I'll cut them off, hang on. It's from the December to Remember collection. I believe this was in Year for Last Advent Calendar from Uniquely Creative. I could be wrong, but anyway, that's the papers I'm using. I have my embellishments already sorted over here. I've got my middle piece of paper that I'm just going to glue on and then start assembling. So let's get this page started. Okay, there is my page. It may not be even, like the grids are not lined up nicely. I eyeball everything. I very rarely measure anything. I very rarely get out my T-square ruler and make sure things are straight. But that's just me, and that's how I scrap. So anyway, I think it looks really cool. It's different. I haven't done a grid like this before, and I really like it. So make sure you are checking out the playlist below with everyone else who is playing along this month with Off the Board with Pineapple Papers. And if you've liked this layout, please give it the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.